Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for booking.com affiliate program, guys. Actually, really easy and simple. So this is a quick guide. I'm going to show you just how you can do this. So first things first, guys, you want to visit the booking.com affiliate page. This is where I am right now, the affiliate page. You cannot go to the normal booking.com website, okay? You need to go to the affiliate page. So this is where you find the information on the benefits of joining the booking.com affiliate and how their program works, right? So what you want to do here, guys, actually is you want to click on here, register, okay, or join now or get started. You're going to click on that. Basically here, we're going to click on register, right? So here they also giving some information how to do it. So first we need to register, right? We need to register as an affiliate. So here we can register with CJ or with Awin, right? It depends on which area you live in, okay? If you live in Europe, like, or Middle East, or these kind of countries, you want to register with CJ. And if you live in other regions such as Brazil, Latin America, Asia Pacific, North America, Australia, you want to register with Alwyn, okay? It depends on your region, guys. So you need to choose this depending on the region. And then what you want to do, guys, after you sign up is you want to provide all your details. Basically, there'll be a registration form. Okay, you want to fill all your details, including your name, your email, your website URL if applicable, right? You'll need a platform to promote booking.com listings, whether it's a blog, website, or social media channel, okay? Make sure you read and agree to the terms and conditions before you proceed, okay? Then, of course, guys, what they will make you do is they'll make you verify email. So once you've actually submitted your registration, you just want to check for in your inbox for a verification email from booking.com. Just click on the link provided to confirm your account. Then what you want to do, guys, is set up your affiliate dashboard, okay? After you verify, right, you want to log into the booking.com affiliate program dashboard. Here you can access links, you can access widgets, and even banners, basically, guys, to add to your sites. You can add these things to your site or social media. You can actually track performance and view the earnings, guys. And then basically, guys, you can start promoting, right? So what you do is using the dashboard, you can generate custom affiliate links for booking.com properties, specific destinations, or even deals, right? Just add these to your website, blog, or social media posts. So when users book through your links, you earn a commission. And that's it, guys. Now you're ready to start promoting booking.com as an affiliate and earn from every booking generated through your unique links, guys. So if this video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below your thoughts. And of course, guys, as always, make sure to subscribe.